Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with me. In this session, first of all let me tell you, it's been a long time I did not upload any videos, so hereafter I will start uploading the basic ABAP solutions and also the ABAP related training videos. I am planning to create a set of training videos for ABAP. So let me try to upload it on a very frequent basis. In this session, we are going to see an important point, how to maintain a ZTable without using the T-code SM30. All of you might be knowing that in our daily activities or on our implementation projects, there are chances of creating a lot of custom ZTables to maintain some validating data or integration data. But to maintain those ZTable, we don't have any proper interface or proper screen for it, but we will be using the SM30 T code to maintain the data, because there may be a one-time job, or there may not be a frequent requirement for updating the ZTables. So we will not create any screens for it. So we just maintain it through a SM30 T code. But for the audit purpose, IT audit purpose, in the production environment, the usage of SM30 is not recommended. They will create a non-compliance point if anyone is using SM30 in a production environment. This is for a data security, so that people can go and change the data whenever they require. So now the point is how we can maintain these ZTables without using SM30. Either you create a module program or a C program to accept data and update the table, or use SM30. So SM30 is not allowed, so how we can do that? So in this session we are going to see how we are going to maintain a ZTable without using SM30. Okay, let me go to let me arrange this. I will go to one of my ZTable. I will go to SE11. There is a ZTable called ZMGRP. Okay, this is the table where we maintain some PIN numbers for the approvers, say the managers. The functionality requirement is that some users will create some data. For example, somebody is creating a purchase order, but in the purchase order there are some specific materials are used. For the usage of that materials, a manager PIN is required. So when the user create a purchase order having that materials in that purchase order list, at the time of saving, then it will ask you the manager PIN. So manager will come and enter the PIN number so that the purchase order will be completed. This was the requirement. So we need some ZTable to maintain the PIN numbers. So this is the table we maintain the PIN numbers for the approvers. Let me show the ZTable. So the ZTable contains the personal number which is linked to HR system, and it belongs to a store. Store is nothing but a plant for us, and his name and his PIN number. This is what it is stored. I will show you the data here, how it is stored. So this is the PIN numbers and data. This employee number coming from this plant having this PIN number. The same employee having from a different plant is having a different pin number. Okay, so this was the requirement. Now how to maintain this? Generally what we will do is we will go to SM30 and we will give the table name and we will go to maintain and do the entries here, right? But since SM30 is not allowed, how we can maintain this? So there is a functional module SAP provides that you can call it, which will exactly do the functionality of SM30. So let me go to the program. What I created it. I already created and I'll show you the program directly. Go to SA38. I created one program. So it's a very simple program which is going to call this function model. This function model is called view maintenance call. What we are going to export is what is your action. My action is a maintenance, so I put AU, and there is a flag called generate maintenance tool if missing. I pass it as X. The meaning of this flag is if that ZTable is not having the TMG, that is table maintenance generator. If you did not create the table maintenance generator for that specific table, you can go still, or internally it will create it. That's what it means. But I don't know, for me it is not working what I'm expecting it. However, I just still pass the value as X, and also I have the TMG generated for this table. So in fact, what you can assume is that whenever you create a Z table, you create a table maintenance generator and keep it ready. Then instead of SM30, you can call this functional module in a program by passing these export parameters. So I repeat, you call this function module action as AU, that is you are going to maintain, add, delete and modify, and you pass this value X, which is optional, and you pass the table name. Whatever the table name, you can pass it. You can create a general one program, and you can create a parameter as a table name and pass that table name here. Okay, and this is the pop-up suppression, and this is empty. This right now we don't have anything on that. We'll empty it. Okay, now I will execute this program. See, it will do the exactly same thing as SM30. I will put SM30 also here. SM30, same thing. See, now it is already showing because through this program I am already maintaining it. So this session is logged. So here it shows data is logged by display. I will go with the display. So it is the same thing. So here it is a maintenance in the screen, and here it is a display. So I will come out of this now. Hope you got my point now. So this is the program which will give you the exact result of SM30, but it is not using SM30. So through this way we can comply with the auditor complaints report by not using the SM30 in the production environment. Hope you understand the things. Please let me know if I am missing something, or if you want more information on this point. I will very much happy to get back to you if you put your comments and your remarks also. please update, whatever the case, you please update and encourage me so that I can give you more and more videos like this. And also there is a separate training videos which I am going to create on a ABAP training, start from the data dictionary and any specific points, example reporting, workflow, enhancements and etc. So give me an input on this also, how I should create. That will help me so that everyone can understand it. And thank you so much. We'll see it in the next video. So bye bye.